Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine at your home. I am here your Islamiyat teacher Miss NIda Majeed, and student, today's our topic is Surah Nasr and 6 kalmas. Why is Surah Nasr revealed? So it is possible that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, having witnessed God's sign, he realized that he had fulfilled his mission on this earth and that it was time for him to leave, which was what Ibn Abbas actually meant. When this surah was first revealed, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam called Fatima and said, "My death has been announced to me." This is the detail of Surah Nasr. It was revealed in Medina. Other name, support, the help. It is mentioned in 30th para in the Quran, and there are 3 verses, 19 words and 18 letters in this surah. Now here we have some benefits of Surah Nasr. If anyone recites Surah Nasr daily basis 21 times a day, then it keeps away from enemies. Second one, if anyone recites Surah Nasr daily basis 7 times a day, then it keeps away from worries and problems. This is Surah Nasr and it is mentioned in your book. So dear students, this is the homework of 3rd week. You will learn this surah with translation oral.